everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you a swatch and review on the newest Juvia's Place palette, and that is the Festival by Juvia's Place. Yay! This is the first palette they have released for 2018, so if you're ready, then I'm ready, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to check this bad boy out today. I did use this palette to make my makeup look, but before we get started, I wanted to thank everyone for all the love that you guys showed in my 200th video on Tuesday. The response has been very overwhelming and very positive, and I absolutely love it. I do this because you guys keep me doing this. And here's to 200 more. Don't forget, the giveaway will end on March 23rd. All the rules are in the post from Tuesday, but I'll go ahead and remind you now. A, you must be subscribed to my channel. B, you have to leave a comment on Tuesday's video, not this video or any other video, Tuesday's video, where I can reach you if you win, and you get an extra bonus entry if you follow me on Instagram, and the winner will receive a $50 Ulta gift card, and this is an international giveaway, so anybody can enter. Just make sure you follow the rules. I'll also put them in my description bar but down below. But let's go ahead and start talking about this palette. If my lipstick doesn't look right with my look, it's the hubster's fault. He picked out the lipstick. He's not saying anything. But like I said in the intro, this is the newest palette by Juvia's Place. It is the first one to be released of 2018, and it is a collection. It does come with 2 liquid lippies, but I did not get the liquid lipsticks. I just got the palette because the liquid lipsticks were still sold out. So I just went ahead and just got the palette because, one, I really don't need any more lipsticks, but hey, what can you do? Let's go ahead and read the back of the box as the inspiration to the festival, because they always put their story on the back of the box. Sorry, I'm like mumbling around. The festival, a gathering of ritual celebrations filled with bold, daring, and mystic trances. A fetish party complemented by exuberant colors. The festival eyeshadow palette consists of 9 highly pigmented eyeshadows. Of course, they are cruelty-free. They would not be on my channel if they weren't, and I did make my eye look with this palette today, and I'm really excited because I only had to use 2 colors outside of the palette. I needed a base shade, and I used something different for my lid. But other than that, I was able to make my whole look with this, and this is what it looks like. Ta-da! We have 9 shades here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 mattes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 metallic shimmer shades. And we actually have a black metallic. I am so happy because I opened this and I was like, oh my god, if this is a black matte shade, I'm going to scream. And then I actually looked at it and I was like, wow, it's a black metallic shade. I am so tired of black metallics being in palettes. I think that's going to be in my next pet peeve video. I don't know. So let's go ahead and start swatching. Okay. First row we are going to start is with this top row. I'm going to say the shade names. If I botch them up, please don't put my head on stick. This is Izafa, Uli, and Ofala. I put Ofala all over my crease to deepen it up today. Now I am kind of rubbing it around a little bit to get some on my finger. This is Izafa, Uli, and Ofala. No primer on my hand as always. Ooh, it's a nice color red. Ooh, that white is really pretty. And I was living for this orange. This orange is orange. I'm going to build it up for you. It's very hard to get a really good orange without it blending out to like nothing. But I used it today and I absolutely love it. But those are the shades. Bring them up close. Sorry about this. I was swatching lipsticks. See which one I wanted to use. Okay. We are taking swatches off with the, I don't know what this brand is. Some off-brand from TJ Maxx. Green tea facial wipes. It was $3.99 compared to what? The $8 they were? Alright. Ooh. Now, you do have to be careful with these kinds of pigments because they're going to do this. They are going to stain the skin, so make sure you have a really good primer down and a really good base so it doesn't do that. Me, I'm an idiot, but you guys know I don't put primer on my hand because I want you guys to actually see the pigmentation of the shadow without putting primer down, because sometimes primer can alter the look of a shadow. It can make it more bright, it can make it more bold or whatever, and I don't want to mislead you with using a primer. Alright, the next row is right here. These are all mattes. This one is Moanu. There's two M's, A-N-W-U. Moanu? Maybe? Okay. And this one is Irigi and Oro. I did use Oro as my transition, and I used Moanu, I don't know if I'm saying that right, in my crease before I brightened it up. And here. I really like Oro. It was a really nice mustardy color, and it did blend out really well, and so did Moanu. What's going on? Melissa, you big dummy. I am so sorry, guys. I just like swatched these all out of order. It's one of them days. I'm going to build Oro up. Sorry if I'm shaking anything. Okay. This is Moanu, this is Irigi, and this is Oro. Yes. Alright, take these swatches off. I need another wipe. These wipes aren't all that great. Not at all. Like, they don't stay wet, even in the package. Ugh, I'll be right back. Okay, I had to bust out my Ulta Beauty Fresh Face Micellar Water to get these swatches off. Because these wipes suck. It sucks because another pet too. Anyways, okay. Now let's go on to the last row. All these are metallics and shimmers. This one is Kaliki, Abba, and Autoglue. I guess that's right. I have Autoglue in my inner corner. I have Abba on my lower lash line, and my face is itching. Alright, let me go ahead and show you guys my look for today. Everything's running. Very nice, very nice. Pop color in the lower lash line. I'm also trying out another new foundation, a mascara, 2 liners. So far everything's been looking pretty good. Okay. That's what they look like on my fingers. That black. These do feel a little thick for some reason when I swatch them. It's weird. That's what they look like. Look at that black metallic. That is just so pretty. Alright, and I will be right back. Okay, and I'm back. I think this is a really great palette. I mean, Juvia's Place really does make some really good palettes, and the best thing about their palettes is that they all mesh well together. Like, you could use this with like the Nubian one or with the Magic palette. I mean, they have so many palettes out, and like I said, they all mesh well together. So you can pick and choose from each palette what look you want to create, or you can just use this one by itself. I really like that this is one that you can make a whole look with by itself. That's always a good thing, because there's a couple of them that I have to pick from other palettes to make a complete look. I just only used a different lid color because I was being picky. So nothing against this palette. All right, let's talk about some prices. All right. Just for the palette alone, it is $21.50, and they are in stock. The entire collection with the palette and the 2 liquid lipsticks is on sale right now for $38. It's originally $41.50. And of course, you can just buy the liquid lipsticks themselves. There are 2 for $18, which is not a bad price at all, considering a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick is what, $19 on its own? Here you're getting 2 for the price of 1 Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. And the liquid lipsticks are Soil, and I don't know if it's Dudu or Do. I don't know. It's D-U-D-U. I think it's Dudu. My hubster's over there laughing because I said doo-doo. Soil is a burnt orange color. Looks really pretty. And it's a matte. And Dudu is a matte black, which this girl might have to get to. And I know there are discount codes out there for you guys to use. I personally use Nikki Tutorials discount code, but I do know there's more out there floating around. I think all you gotta do is just do like a Google search and you'll be able to find one. But yeah, I absolutely love this collection. I think it's great. It is nicely priced, and I honestly think you guys need to get this. Get on this ball with this brand. I mean, and I think they have other palettes coming out soon. I do believe there's a lip palette coming out, and I think there's another blush palette coming out. They have a lot coming out within the next month, so make sure you keep your eyes locked on this channel for those, because you know I always bring you the great Juvia's Place goodies. And yeah, that's all that I have for you guys. As always, you can follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/MelissaLeahGarrett, on Snapchat as MelissaLeah1223, on Instagram as Melissa Leah Garrett, and on the new Vero app as Melissa Leah Garrett. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account, so if you see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, if that subscribe button is red, it's the wrong color. You need to change it. And don't forget to share this channel out to everyone as well. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye! What game are you playing, babe? Over there because I said doo-doo on camera? I think you were. You were laughing and you got choked up.